to explain on return and not return method, let me create another class. Demo. Inside this class, let's start with no return method. Public void. It is void because it is not returning anything. Public void. Let me write calculation. Inside this method, integer x equal to 1, integer y equal to 1 also, and integer z equal to x plus y. Let us print z. Now this method is not returning anything, just it will calculate this and print the value of z. Let me call the class demo equal to new demo. Now if we print this, we have 2. Okay, this is for no return. What if this value that we have 2, we going to use the value before printing the value? If we are going to use this value, then this method doesn't have to just print the value. What if we want the value? Maybe we can store the value on another variable before printing, or do some calculation again. Okay, since that it deals with the integer, let's delete this public int. Now there is keyword called return. This keyword will return the value of z. Okay, now this return the value of z, and from here we have to store this on integer value of z. Now we store this value of z on this variable name. We write the variable name, the value of z. If we want to print, then we just have to write this value of z here, and here we have to. We can also manipulate this value of z before having it printed. Now let's say that integer, let me add 1 on the value of z. Integer add 1 equal to value of z plus 1. Now Let's print @1. It added 1 on the value of z that we have. If we want to manipulate the value, we cannot just print it from this method. We have to return it and manipulate the value. This is about return type of this method. Okay, now what if this is double? If this is double, let's say that all these are double. And let's say this one is 2.1, 1.3. okay, here we will have compilation error because this store double on integer. Let's change this one to double. Okay, here we have it printed on the terminal 4.4. And even if it is string, we have to store on string. Still, if it is short, we have to store on short.